Hello and welcome to this short yoga flow to alleviate tension in the hips and the lower back. We're going to start in your seated position, just ensuring the parts of the body in contact with the earth are comfortable. As you begin to arrive, we'll begin to take a gentle circle spiral of the spine. And when we're ready, we'll begin to bring the shoulders over the sit bones, lengthening the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, taking a little bit of extra care of the neck and the top of the head. As you begin to arrive, we'll take our first twist, left hand coming along that right shin near thigh, right hand behind. Easing into this particular pose, gaze can be going off to the side, maybe over the shoulder. We'll gently begin to release, taking it onto the opposite side, right hand along that left limb. And gently beginning to release. We're going to begin to take your right leg out, sole of that left foot coming in towards the body to begin with, and we'll begin to frame this right leg. So the hands framing, we'll begin to walk, 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 and then beginning to fold. We're not here for very long. And then we'll begin to lift and rise. As we do, beginning to bring the sole of that left foot to the earth. And we're going to begin to take a little bit of a flow. So imagine the fingertips coming along the foot. Maybe we interlace, thumbs casually on the top. We can stay here. Maybe we begin to tap. Maybe we begin to lift. And it's going to be different every time we come onto the mat. So again, beginning to lift. Maybe we hold. We're going to begin to take a gentle twist. So when you're ready, we'll begin to take that left heel up, right hand coming towards the outside of that left foot, and left hand coming behind. When we're ready, we'll soften that left knee, left hand coming back to the foot, and then again we'll extend, leaning back. And then slowly beginning to release that left heel down. As we do so, hands coming along the thigh shins, maybe we grab hold of the feet, passively or actively folding. We'll gently begin to release. Beginning to bend that right knee, sole of the foot coming maybe in contact with the inner left leg. Hands beginning to frame that left foot. We'll begin to walk and fold. Again, we can be passive, or maybe you have hold of the leg itself, entirely up to you. We'll begin to lift again, inviting the sole of that right foot to the earth. Fingertips are interlacing the hands, and we'll begin to tap. Maybe we go with that 90 degrees, or maybe a little bit further. Always leading with a heel rather than aspiring to straighten the leg. We're going to begin to take that twist, so softening that right knee, left palm coming to the outside of that right foot, right hand coming behind, and again we'll begin to straighten or extend. Again, softening the knee, hand coming back to the foot. And again, it might be edges are interlacing, and beginning to straighten the heel, leaning back slightly. And then we'll casually begin to release that right heel down. Hands coming along the thighs, shins, maybe to the foot. And we'll begin to lift, slowly beginning to come through to our butterfly. So imagine soles of the feet coming towards each other. It might be more of a diamond or maybe a triangle shape. As you arrive, just ensuring that we're not beginning to cat-like, opening up the chest, and we'll begin to circle and spiral. So hands can be anywhere along the knees, shins, ankles, or the foot. If you happen to have hold of the foot, maybe the thumbs are in towards the arch and you're opening it like a book. And we can continue this circle spiral. We'll begin to fold, elbows coming onto the thighs or into the space that you've made. Maybe elbows onto the outside of the shins if we have that more triangle shape. Lifting the torso up. We'll casually begin to take the fingertips underneath the thighs, soles of the feet coming closer to the earth. And what we're going to begin to do is just take the feet slightly wider, hands coming behind you. We're going to begin to windshield wipe. And just taking your time as you go from one side to the other. And eventually we'll begin to come back through, soles of the feet in contact with the earth, beginning to come back through to your easy seated position. As we arrive, we'll begin to take the arms up overhead, and we'll begin to take a gentle cactus, opening up the chest. Fingertips beginning to lift. We're going to finish with a twist. Left hand coming onto that right knee, thigh. Right hand again can come towards that hip, or maybe we begin to bind. Maybe we take it over towards the lower back. You might hook the two-piece fingers into the waistline as that's more comfortable. And gently beginning to release. Again, we'll take the arms up, cactusing, opening up the chest. Let the fingertips rise, and then we'll take that twist in the opposite direction. Again, making any choices with that left hand. Gently releasing the twist. We'll begin to take the hands together at the heart, bowing the head down towards the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for joining me for this very short yoga flow to release any tension in the hips and the lower back. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the playlist in the description, and I'll see you again soon.